To recover from an event like that, I don't even know if we really have, to be completely honest. There are still times, like a week ago or so, we had a night of really heavy rain, and I just kept telling myself, like, you can't flood here.
Rainfall came and the river came down, and the river was not able to be held by the levee, and it flooded a good part of town, and that's what damaged all the homes.
There's no mountains to block the weather, so when it comes through with a fury, and it doesn't stop.
A very devastating flood, and really, to compound it, they had another flood 10 years ago in 2014, and this one was even worse.
A lot of people lost their houses, lost their businesses. It took us a while to kind of get back up on our feet.
It was hard to watch our students, come into our school and clean out all the mud and the muck, but it was also really amazing. We talked to our kids over and over about how blessed we were to live in the community that we live in.
The community really pulled together, not only helped us out, but helped out everyone in town here.
We had people in our house helping us clean up that I only know their name because she took my wedding dress and got it restored for me.
This project is going to have a total of 21 homes. We are using Rise siding for all 21 homes, as well as CertainTeed's landmark shingle. My decision to use Rise siding on this project was based off of other homes and buildings in town that had previously used it. Post-flood, it had held up extremely well.
The Rise siding sat in the floodwater for a day or two and had no catastrophic failure. And Rise came through extraordinarily.
It's a tight-knit community that has generation after generation has lived here, and generation after generation will continue to live here and farm the land for corn and beans that feed us, that fuel us. This is the heartbeat of what we do, to be able to give this community a product that we can stand behind and tell them that it's not only going to be good for their generation, it's going to be good for their next generation, because the kids that they raise in this house will likely buy this house from their parents and then raise their children. So we're not making an impact on a single family, we're making a generational impact on the community.
The people here are just different, and I don't necessarily know how to explain it besides that they're humble. The work ethic, the love that they have for each other.
The makeup of the siding and its water resistance, it just made for a perfect product for this development.
We are greatly honored that the city trusts us with this project and has been behind us from day one.
I don't know if you recover necessarily or move on from it. It becomes a time of your life that is hard, and you reflect on that and you grow from that, and then it becomes something, beautiful, and that you get to, embrace and becomes part of your story.